Hello everyone. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos on Instagram. So it's actually basically pretty simple. All you have to do is just have to turn on a simple settings on your Instagram app. So let's get into the video. So open your Instagram app. So once you've opened your Instagram app, go to your profile. So once you click on your profile, click on those three bars there at the top right. So click on that, go to settings, right, and click on accounts. So once you click on accounts there, and here you'll see an option called cellular data use. So click on that, and here what I have to do is you go to turn on this upload at highest quality. So that's the setting there. So turn that on. So this will upload your videos at higher quality when you upload them on Instagram. So turn that switch on. So this should now upload your videos at high quality. And suppose just to note that I'm using Android at the moment. So if you are an Apple user, you can find this same setting under sharing to other apps. So if you click on sharing to other apps, here you should see the same setting where you can you can turn on the button for high quality. So that's for Android users. So basically that's what it is. So I hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon. Thank you.